Hello there again everybody, we are back with another devlog. As you can see, we've made a bit more progress, you know, just a bit. We was working towards our next challenge, but we're not quite there yet. Now I do actually have, is it under pictures? Yeah. Oh, that's going to open critter, isn't it? Do actually have our first card made here. Nice little pixel art, attack +1. It's got that nice little gem there, that's going to show rarity as well as the border here. Probably the texture and the colour of the item on the card to change colour. Very simplistic design, but I quite like it. You know, it really showcases the card, so to say. So yeah, we've got that, but we've not actually managed to use that yet. We've still next challenge is figuring out how the hell I use UIs. Like, I want a button here that will be tied to what you will see. You will see a wonderful thing when we press play here today. Basically it takes from that, allowing you to purchase free cards, well, give you a selection of free cards, and when you select one of those cards you end up getting that stat upgrade. Currently obviously only attack +1 until I work on more cards. Now let us press play so I can showcase this to you. Loads much faster this time. So I've set my fire rate up. We have a score counter here in the corner now, and that goes up when you destroy an enemy. Eventually I want to have it where you obviously damage dealt there. But yeah, now we've got 3 types of enemies, each with increasing health, moves slower. This one, forgot to bring fabs here, this one has 1 HP with a movement, probably have to press stop here, there we go. This one has a movement speed of 3 and a max health of 1. This one has a movement speed of 2 with a max health of 2. This one has a movement speed of 1 with a max health of 3. I guess also next step would be giving this fireball projectile an area of effect. I don't think I want to add that into the player stats, because I want the player stats script to be involving just my base stats for all characters. And then what might be better, because obviously fire tower shoots fireball, earth tower will shoot a rock, for example. By having that prefab set to essentially the tower that's needed, and setting the special stat to the projectile as opposed to the play stats, is going to prevent my play stats getting a lot more convoluted and harder to read as it grows, if that makes sense. I think I explained that quite well. Essentially I want to assign the special tower specific bonus to the projectile as opposed to the tower itself. Yeah. Oh, I seem to have logged out on RuneScape. I have been using RuneScape as the audio. It's pretty good as an audio. But yeah, we've got our world data script here now that covers the whole score system. We've got a working score system that isn't pixelated. And yeah, our next step, I'm not sure if it's going to be the only progress that I've made between this devlog and next week's devlog, but we have now successfully got a point system, and hopefully next week we'll have figured out this UI system and figured out how to do that, because my god, it's a little bit more complicated trying to figure out that. You know, score system, simple enough, it's just a canvas, kind of creates that event system. It's got my little text, score text there for the score. It's a pretty damn good system, but the UI for the buttons and stuff, that's a little bit more complicated. But thank you all for joining me on another devlog. I hope you all have an amazing day. I hope to see you next week, and this is me, Serene Generation, and I am out, yo. Peace.